One of my subscribers brought my attention to this channel, and what I found absolutely blew my mind. This channel, Mr. Science, uploaded their very first video just 1 month ago, and with only 7 videos, they have already gained 51,000 subscribers and generated over 7.3 million views. 7 videos in 1 month, millions of views. This is a wildlife documentary content niche where they create long-form educational videos exploring animals, evolution, natural science, and the wonders of the natural world. And here is what makes this even more powerful. These are not shorts. These are full-length videos, some reaching up to 20 minutes, which means massive watch time, stronger algorithm signals, and far better monetization potential. Their success is not random luck. It is pure strategy. According to vidIQ analysis, this channel pulled in over 1 million views in just the past 7 days alone. And based on their current performance, they are generating substantial monthly income that most creators only dream about. Now, I know what you are thinking. Creating 20-minute documentary-style videos sounds complicated, time-consuming, maybe even expensive, but that is where everyone gets it wrong. This niche is actually faster and easier to execute than you think, and I am going to walk you through the entire process step by step. In this video, you are getting the complete roadmap from setting up your channel correctly to creating professional videos using free AI tools. Stay with me till the end because I am breaking down every single step. Alright, let's begin by setting up a brand new YouTube channel. And this step is more critical than most creators realize. Many people treat channel setup as just a formality, rushing through it without proper thought, and later wonder why their content struggles to gain traction. The truth is, how you set up your channel from day one directly impacts how the algorithm categorizes your content and who it gets shown to. Start by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner, then navigate to Switch Accounts. Select View All Channels and hit Create a New Channel. Now comes the important part, choosing your channel name and handle. For this, I recommend using an AI tool, and for this specific niche, I will be working with Claude. Claude is extremely intelligent, and I discovered this firsthand when I was writing scripts for my own Shorts channel. The results I got from Claude were simply beyond what any other AI tool could deliver. Just to be clear, this is not a paid promotion. I am simply sharing what works best based on my own experience because I want to give you the best tools available. Now, to make your life easier, I have compiled all the prompts you will need for this niche into a single Google document. You can grab this document from the prompts channel inside my Discord server. The link is in the description below. Once you have access, copy the first prompt and paste it into Claude. This prompt is designed to generate unique, memorable, and high-impact channel names that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. A strong channel name is not just a label, it is your brand identity. So take your time choosing one that truly resonates. After selecting your name, go ahead and finalize your channel creation. Once your channel is live, the next priority is branding and SEO optimization to ensure your channel looks professional and attracts the right viewers from day one. Now, let's move on to creating your channel logo, which plays a huge role in establishing credibility and making your channel memorable. Head back to your Google document and grab the next prompt, then paste it into Claude. Claude will generate several professional, polished logo concepts tailored specifically to your niche. Once you have those prompts ready, you can use any AI image generation tool to bring them to life. For this tutorial, I will be using Leonardo AI since it offers excellent quality completely for free. Open Leonardo AI, go to the image creation section, and browse through the available image models. Feel free to experiment with different models until you find one that matches your vision. Make sure to set your aspect ratio to 1:1 so your logo displays perfectly as a profile picture, and click Generate. Within seconds, Leonardo AI will produce your logo options. You can run multiple prompts through the tool to get a variety of designs, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that fits best. As you can see, the results look incredibly professional. And just like that, your channel logo is ready in under a minute. Next up is SEO optimization, which is essential for helping YouTube understand your content and push it to the right audience. Go back to your prompt document and locate the SEO prompt, then provide it to Claude. Inside this prompt, there is a space where you can input your chosen channel name, allowing Claude to generate a fully personalized SEO package tailored to your channel. Claude will provide you with a complete channel description and a set of optimized tags designed to maximize discoverability. Now head over to YouTube Studio, upload your logo, paste in your description, and navigate to the settings menu. Click on the channel section, and you will find a field where you can input all your tags. Simply copy and paste them directly from Claude's output. And just like that, your channel is properly set up with strong branding and smart SEO. The final step is warming up your new channel for about 4 to 5 days before uploading your first video. During this time, simply use your channel like a regular viewer, watch content in your niche, engage with videos, and let YouTube's algorithm recognize your account as active and legitimate. Okay guys, now let's drop down to video creation. And first step is of course finding some oh my wow video topics, and for that purpose, you already have the next prompt ready inside of the Google document. For this purpose, I have personally tested this prompt and results are mind-blowing. Just enter the number of topics you want and hit generate, and Claude will analyze your prompt. It will understand the niche, the concept, and the latest trends to come up with highly demanding video topics. Now from these video topics, if you play smart, you should pick up 3 video topics at once, read them yourself, and consider yourself a viewer. If you had to pick and watch a topic, which one would it be? And you have your topics right there. Once the topics are finalized, it is time to write an astonishing script. And the method I will show you today, trust me, you will not find it on the entire internet. First of all, you do not know how to write a powerful script yourself, and giving any AI a random prompt is going to get you a ruined script that will suck. It is harsh, but it will suck. So what to do? Let me tell you my special method. First, we are going to head back to the channel Mr. Science, and then we will be opening one of their most viral videos. After that, we will head to the description section. If you are wondering what we are doing here, so here you will see this transcript option. Just click on it. An entire video transcript will open in front of you. Just copy the entire transcript like this and paste this entire script into Claude. And now pay attention, you need to command Claude that this is a script of one of my competitors, and I want you to fully analyze and memorize the entire script. Look at the patterns, writing style, language, tone, wording, psychological hooks, intro, and all the necessary elements so that you can replicate their style to write mind-blowing scripts for me as well. Now this is actually going to train the chatbot, and it will help it to memorize every successful pattern from an already successful video, and this step alone will help you write scripts 100 times better than an average person. Now you need to copy the script writing prompt from the Google document and paste it inside of Claude. Inside of this prompt, you need to copy and paste your video topic and simply hit enter. This prompt will explain Claude your niche, will tell about language and wording, that it should be realistic and humanistic and not robotic. And this prompt most importantly commands Claude that script should be 3,000 to 4,000 characters long in this batch, and also that the script should not end. This way you can again command the chatbot to start the script from where it left, and if you are going for a longer script of up to 20 minutes or more, you can keep commanding that it should not end the script until you get your desired video length. This will ensure that the script is longer and also smooth, unbroken, and natural. Now, if you take a closer look at this script, you will realize that this script is way far from ordinary or average. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments, and just like this, you have your script ready as well. Read out the script to understand the concept of the video and get a better understanding of what you will be creating. Coming down to the next part, generating voiceover for our script. And this might be the easiest part in content creation just because of AI. In past, we needed expensive equipment and audio editing tools and hours of efforts to get a smooth and good voiceover, but not anymore. From the market, you can use any AI text to speech tools. There are plenty of good options available out there, like Google's AI Studio, Clipchamp, DapDab, and 11 Labs. You can go with any of them. For this demonstration, I will be using 11 Labs. From the library of 11 Labs, you can literally choose a voiceover of your own choice. That is the first step to your long-term branding, so do not rush here. After that, it is simple. Copy-paste your script paragraph by paragraph, and then generate and download your voiceover, as simple as that. After that comes the part where we need some premium-level stock videos for our project, and you can consider getting your stock footages from these 5 resources: Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks, Envato Elements, and even Canva. Using a mix of uncommon keywords, you can literally find videos that are hidden from most people. You just need to spend a little bit of time here searching for the right clips for your video. It might seem difficult, but it is pretty simple and easy. You can also use a combination of stock videos with AI images and AI videos to take things to the next and even better level. Once all the material is ready, it is finally time to edit everything inside of CapCut. And editing is simple as well. I will play a clip of Mr. Science for a few seconds. Just see how simple their editing is.
Thousands of emperor penguins stand frozen in the dark, silent, waiting. each guarding an egg that would die in minutes if it touched.
So let's start the work. First, just place your voiceover. After that, just listen to the voiceover and place your footages and AI images and videos. If any on the timeline one by one, it is simple. Keep the interesting and relatable part of the footage and trim out the rest. Since the video is going to be very long, so make sure you do not rush things because you will get burnt out and video will be terrible. I have been there, so I know the frustration. Once everything is properly arranged, make sure to add transitions between the clips. For this niche, smooth and calm transitions will perform extremely amazing, so just play around with the transitions and use the ones you find eye-catching. Also, play with effects if you want to, but do not do overstuffing. Goal is making the video better, not worse with effects stuffing. After that, to 10x the quality of your clips, simply head to filters and search for this filter named 4K and drag and drop it on the timeline and stretch it across the entire timeline. Make sure to keep its value between 60 to 70 and then again search for another filter named Clear 2 and drag and drop this one on the timeline as well. Stretch it across the entire timeline and keep its value between 50 to 60 and the difference in before and after will be super noticeable. Now just head to the text feature and add auto captions to your video. Once applied, you will find tons of different templates to choose from. I am not going to make this boring, so just go with your desired template. But if you want to make your captions unique, you can change the font and color of your captions to give them your own personal touch, and then place them in the lower part of your video. In final, you can add a good background music to your video, for which you can either use AI music generator or go with a free YouTube channel that provides good music. Make sure to adjust your music's volume. And that's it. Our video is ready. Let's take a look at it.
There is a moment in evolutionary history that humans almost never witness. The moment when a species, faced with a world it no longer recognizes, begins to change. Not over millions of years, not in the fossil record, but now, in real time, in front of cameras, satellites, and scientists who can barely believe what they're documenting. This is happening to the polar bear. And what we're seeing isn't just a species in decline, it's a species attempting something extraordinary. Adaptation at a pace evolution was never designed to support. A race against a clock that's ticking faster than biology can respond.
Now that was absolutely fire. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, everyone. And now it is finally time to head to the thumbnail designing part. Definitely one of my most favorite parts of video creation. For this purpose, you will find a prompt inside of Google Documents. Simply copy and paste this prompt inside of Claude, and inside of this prompt, you need to copy and paste your entire video script. You will see empty placeholders. Just paste the script there, and Claude will write you an extremely amazing thumbnail prompt for your video that will be extremely eye-catching. Now you need to use any text to image AI tool to create your thumbnail image. For this demonstration, I will be using Whisk. After pasting the prompt inside of Whisk, make sure to select 16:9 and hit generate, and Whisk will start making your images. And honestly, Whisk has mind-blowing image quality. Just take a look at it yourself. It is fire. Once you finalize an image, simply head to Canva and select YouTube thumbnail preset, and from the upload section, simply import your image. Place it on the page and stretch on the entire page, just like this. After that, head to text and drag and drop a text on the page, and here you need to write 2 to 3 words related to your video. You can take help of Claude to come up with these keywords. After that, make sure to select a good and bold font for your text, and while selecting the text, click on Effects, and from here, you can apply an effect to your text. I suggest the background effect. You can also go with shadow effect or highlight effect. You can adjust the settings of your effect. In final, after all adjustments, make sure to place your text at a suitable position on the image. You can play around with other features as well, but at this point, our thumbnail is ready. Just export it, and this is how you can make top-notch videos in this niche. Along with one long channel, I suggest you run a shorts channel as well, and if you are looking for a trending shorts niche that is easy to make, then make sure to watch the video popping on the screen right now.